Guys, today we are pranking my grandma.
Guys, so what's up? So we're gonna be pranking my grandma today, and with the fog machine, and she always gets like crazy when the fog machine goes off. So it's on. Christian, I'm gonna put it up there, and you start holding it down.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at her. Only when she's okay. Let's smoke up.
Did it break?
No. Well, a piece of it did.
Well,
Just the handle. Well, that doesn't do anything.
yeah, we just broke off the thing. Smoking out everywhere.
Just gotta clean up the juice.
Yeah, juice go right there.
It's a Halloween school. You guys aren't coming.
No,
No, it's just us.
acid.
yeah, we are.
What? That's not. Oh, so.
Yeah, we are, Nathan.
No, you're not.
I said no.
No, she didn't.
Yeah, she did.
No, she didn't.
Smoke you guys
She's
out.
trying to take it me and Christian.
She isn't.
Smoked you.
Go ask her then, Abby.
So, smoking, everything. Cool, right? So if you guys enjoyed that smoked out place. So, that's green, you can trust, and 5, smoke everywhere.